Hi, this is Greg from ASUS ROG, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at the ROG Strix Flare mechanical gaming keyboard. Our Strix line of products are built to give you the ultimate combination of gaming performance and personalization, and as our first Strix keyboard, the Flare is no different. We use Cherry MX RGB switches, and this unit is using the Cherry Reds, but there will be other versions of the keyboard as well. It features 100% anti-ghosting and N-key rollover to make sure that every keystroke is registered accurately. On the top, there are dedicated media keys with a Windows lock and on-the-fly brightness adjustments with 4 brightness levels. There is also a volume roller on the left-hand side so you can quickly make volume adjustments without having to take your hand off the mouse. On the right, there's an illuminated acrylic ROG badge. The keyboard actually comes with a blank replacement piece so you can customize it with your own logo. The board has 2 USB cables, one of which is for the keyboard and the other one is for the USB pass-through. The wrist rest is incredibly easy to attach and detach when you're not using it. Every key is individually backlit and can be customized using our AuraSync software to match all of your AuraSync capable products. For more detailed customization of the lighting and to set up custom game profiles and macros, you can use ROG Armory software. This board also features onboard memory that lets you save up to 6 profiles on the keyboard. So if you ever take it over to a friend's house, you'll have all your macros and lighting modes to go with you. Now, if you guys have any questions about the ROG Strix Flare mechanical gaming keyboard, please reach out to us on our Facebook page at facebook.com/asus.n.america. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hi, I'm Chris Pate, Product Manager with Logitech G, and I'm here to talk to you today about our new G910 Orion Spark RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Orion Spark was designed to give gamers an edge over the competition with our exclusive new Romer G mechanical switches. We developed these switches from the ground up to deliver improved gaming performance. They have a 1.5mm actuation distance, which enables 25% faster activation than the most popular mechanical keyboard switch. They're also 40% more durable, rated at 70 million keystrokes. The center illuminated design means that the key stem is significantly wider than other mechanical keyboard switches, delivering a great click feeling with greater stability and less wobble. Orion Spark features full RGB illumination. You can customize each key from a palette of over 16 million colors, and the centralized LED with our custom light diffusing lens ensures that the entire keycap is illuminated evenly, not just the top part. You can customize the lighting in a number of different ways. Using Logitech gaming software, you can create distinct color zones, automatically illuminate only the keys that are active in the game you're playing, or set the entire keyboard to play back cosmetic effects like breathing, color cycling, and color waves. You can even set each individual key to a custom color if you want. We introduced the second screen information experience with the Game Panel LCD on our original G15 gaming keyboard. Game Panel fans have been asking for a while now when we're going to release a mechanical keyboard with an LCD. But rather than limiting the experience by attaching a small proprietary LCD, with Orion Spark we've released ARX Control. ARX Control is a new app for Android and iOS that will give you access to a wide range of information, including in-game stats, device configuration, system health, and even media controls. The app connects to LGS on your PC using Wi-Fi, and Orion Spark's mobile dock lets you keep it within an easy glance while you play. So there you have it, a quick tour of the G910 Orion Spark RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard.